Daddy.
Sorry.
You're so cute.
One of the big things I got for Christmas this year was a tool chest. And I was really excited because I would finally have a place to put my tools. So today is all about getting my tool chest organized. But once I got in the garage, I had an idea. I got a workbench for Christmas. But we have a slight problem. This is where we had planned on putting it. But when Carla's in the garage, it's really hard to get to right here. So we are going to put our main workbench over here and my new tool chest over there. We're good, and I stole them. Because he has them in his...
What? You're so funny.
I got you!
I said you're so funny!
Ha!
Love it. Yay! Alright, let's go over there.
Ooh, yeah.
And it's stable. Okay, so we have just finished organizing the pegboard, or for right now, this is how we're organizing it. It could change in 3 seconds. Who knows? I have a lot of other tools that are going to go in the actual workbench, which is what this episode started off about. So we are going to put all of the mats on the floor to kind of symbolize one drawer, and then we'll organize it that way so it's really easy to see what is in what drawer, so that we're not like trying to randomly take stuff out of other drawers and move it to a different drawer. So it should be easy. So let's do that. Laid out now. I'm gonna put the most important stuff towards the top, like all of my wrenches, because we use that constantly, and then down from there we'll do less important stuff or stuff that I need less. Like screwdrivers are going here, wrenches or pliers and stuff are going over there. We have a pneumatics drawer. We have a drawer for like grinding and filing and all that stuff. I have a drawer for all my metric tools because we rarely ever use metric tools on my car. I have a drawer with like specialty wrenches, so I have a whole bunch of like thin ones or long ones or like ones for like rounded off bolts or something, which is really fun. That might be my favorite drawer.
Those
I find
cool.
this really cool. I have a drawer for my Contour SCT, which is really cool and we're going to use for body work. Which I'm semi-excited for and semi-terrified of. But we have a drawer for that and that's really cool. And then we have a junk drawer. Technically it's not a junk drawer, but a drawer for like stuff that we just don't know where to put anywhere else. This was a really good exercise. I'm happy I did it. It was good to be able to like visually see what was in each of my drawers at the exact same time, and it was really nice and easy to like switch things around. So I didn't have to like take all of the stuff out of one drawer. It was great. We're going to put it all back in our drawers, but we need a few organization things, so we're gonna take a trip to the store.
Have fun.
Okay, so we are back and I've got all my organization stuff for all my sockets. And I got this rail thing that has all 3 of the sizes that I have. And it looks like it's gonna work really well, but it has a lot of the half and I have a lot more 1/4 and 3/8. So this was like $20, and since I am paying for this myself, I'm going for cheap. So this was about $20, so I got a whole bunch of these, which were only like $1 each, and they have 10 of these little thingies on them. So I'm just going to put these on my big original guy, and it should work because we tested it and they fit. So this is just a cheap way to get more for my $20 that I spent. By not even moving. Working perfectly. It'd be really nice if this was cleared off. Funny how I know exactly where I want this.
This is good. You're definitely leaving some room.
See, it's still out of the way. Really well. It's so nice to have it all organized. I obviously reorganized the pegboard, which I said I would probably do, and I did, because I know myself. So we have it all organized now. In the top drawer we have all of the stuff we normally use, all of our sockets and wrenches and stuff. Then we have pliers and screwdrivers, and then down there are more wrenches, and our metric stuff, our junk drawer, our drawer with all of our grinding stuff, more grinding stuff, and what's in this one? Oh, our pneumatic stuff. Like, so it's all organized. It all looks really, really good, and it's really nice for it all to have a place now. It's really nice having everything organized and a place for all of my tools when I've basically never had a place for all of my tools. It's really refreshing. So I'm really happy that we got to set this up, and I think it's going to be better having my tools over there going forward. So what I'm taking out of the garage is organization is important, and it's pretty nice to do too. Thank you as always to my executive producer, Drew Carter. And if you would like to support me, go to my Patreon page at patreon.com/ElliesGarage. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and have a great New Year, and I'll see you next time in the garage. I am a one-trip girl.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's a lot of wrenches.
I don't like taking second trips.
Gotcha.